is the first day that we are legally, based on the guidelines here in the Philippines. Today, we're finally allowed to go outside and exercise. Of course, social distancing guidelines will continue to be adhered, 2-meter distance, and you still need to wear a mask. So I thought today I would climb up to Busay, just test it out. I chose this muddy route as a side road because I want to avoid passing the main road going up to Trans Central, because I heard there's checkpoints there. And I mean, I brought my quarantine pass. This is this thing in the back. It's ridiculously huge. I'll show it to you later, but I just want to avoid going through as many checkpoints as I can. Hence the very muddy road and this super steep average of 12%, half a kilometer road. Here it is.
The circuits of progress are destined to fall. The price has been programmed, our ending in song. But if you stole, I'll call you naked for you.
Before starting this ride, I said to myself I would take it easy. Probably shouldn't have found the steepest hill to start off with. And of course, climbing Trans Central is always difficult to do it easy. But it feels really nice to be out here. So we're back here in Temple of Lia, but now that the weather is good, sun is shining and still a little bit early, I'm gonna feature the part that I really like to bike. So after you go to Temple of Lia, you just keep going and the cycling gets really good. Of course, you need to climb like 400 or 500 meters before getting here, but it's worth it. And since there are not that many people around, you can take a breather from the mask. Like today there's a view. Let me show you the view real quick.
See, sun's out. And last time I was over there. But now, we're not going to spend so much time there. We're going to keep going to that side of the mountain.
If you keep going from Temple of Lia, I'm not sure what this place is called. I'll look it up on Google and I'll put it on the screen. But it goes on this very like wooded, lots of trees area. Check it out. And once you're here, it's not that much climbing anymore. There's some incline, but you don't need to put the same amount of effort as you need to put to get here. And it's a very nice ride at this point. Roads are good, hardly anybody. Like, this is the first motorcycle to pass me. And it's nice. It's nice up here. I'll show you a few more videos.
The endless perfect
is like the basketball court in the area. Well, one of the basketball courts. And if you go through there, it goes up to, I think it's called the RCBC Towers. And it's fun too, but it's a dead end. Unless you want to hike your bike down to Pamutan or something. But you can go all the way up there. It becomes like mountain bike-ish territory. But it's fun. I've tried it. It's a steep climb, short steep climb. But we're not going to go there. We're going to go over here. And loop back to Buak somehow. So I found this. The last time I was here, I noticed that there was this dirt road. And I followed it. And at that time, that was my first time, so I followed it. And it came out to Trans Central Highway with a little gravel. So we're gonna go through a little gravel right now. In Trans Central, so after that sign over there in the back, there's a bridge. So that's where we came out, like right after that bridge. Back in Trans Central, that just means final climb to Buak before heading back home. So I'm pretty happy with this first ride out of the lockdown. Glad to be outside. Going to Trans Central is not my favorite thing. Trans Central is the closest and it's the most likely road to be open to cyclists like me. So I thought I'd give it a shot. Maybe next time I'll try some of the less popular routes, which tend to be more fun. I noticed I had a little more time, so I'm up here in Buak in this secret area. Let me show you. Shout out to Jude from the Bart Brothers for showing me this spot. If you want to know where this is, you're gonna have to ask him. It's not really a secret, but you know, just ask him. It's in Buak. Here, let's take a better look at it. And I wanted to keep going. Keep seeing that there's more time. I've said goodbye to this vlog like 3 times now. Finally, this is the real goodbye. I kept looking at my watch and I still had more time to just bike. So I thought I'd just go up the tops, but it was closed. So for real this time, if you enjoyed this episode, subscribe. More episodes soon. More episodes soon. Subscribe. I almost forgot to show you. Yeah, this is the quarantine pass. It's huge. It's bigger than my head. It's huge.